As a planeteer, Captain Planet, I was stressing about how much plastic I was forced to buy. More about why I was forced to buy all that plastic later. But then I had these brilliant upcycling ideas. These are super easy ways to upcycle your plastic. Simply cut the head off, cut the bottom off, and we can make use of the head as well as the bottom. You can cut the second groove or the third groove to hold a spice. I'm doing the third groove. Just poke a hole, poke the hole, then we're just gonna insert it and cut away. You can cut the top to use as a lid over that, so you can dry this. Remove that, and just below the second groove, now this, as you know, you can use as a funnel. Or you can also use this as a little holder for your torchlight so that you can shine the light up on the ceiling when there's lights off. And if it's a smaller torchlight, just turn it the other way around and insert it. You just illuminate your space a bit easier. But for now, for our spice jar, it will just go in and form a little lid, and then you can actually remove it and take out your spice. Or you can ube to me, add the lighter, I will do a shut, and then you can remove your spice from here. Okay. So why was I forced to buy all these plastic? I left my ancestral home, my land of birth, 30 years ago, and when I recently returned, it was advisable that I don't drink the local water that comes from the taps. Well, the locals don't even drink the water from the taps because I've lost a lot of the immunity, and that meant that I had to buy water that's in plastic. Now, I was totally heartbroken. I'm very heartbroken by the amount of plastic that's consumed in Ghana. It's just given for anything and everything, and it's found all over the streets. And so I had to make a decision to not join that lifestyle. Me free baby I wore me 30 years ago. Nti emra me saba no na mintimi num ensuo a obia enum no straight away. Emre tie mu a tina was me to bottled water. Nti no na mama hu say plastic kunye ewo ye Ghana krum ewo baby ewo gatis mu ewo form ewo asase mu ye nwene ho no an say yagye nti na menim say mintimi emmo me brasa nti me hwehwe akwan a metimi I reduce plastic a me use nti so betimi a join me.